I noticed that people are talking about this thing called the Nexus body, and they're saying that it's the 80th organ that was hidden by the government, and they're saying that this information is coming out. Excuse me. And also they're mentioning that that this organ has to do with you having that gut feeling, your intuition and stuff. And that's a nice thing. I know I looked into what they said, and it really doesn't, the story of how it was hidden, it doesn't really hold much weight, because they say that it was a government secret and they gave an order number, and the order number has absolutely nothing to do with what they were talking about. However, this does not mean that it is not rooted in something that is real, because you have had that gut feeling, and at times it could save your life. Now, let me deal with what's going on when it comes to this thing that they call the Nexus body. Now, first thing we're going to deal with the word Nexus. Now, the word Nexus simply means the coming together or a gathering. You got that? Now, they said it was a organ that was somewhere along the solar plexus. Now, it's not an organ there that we don't know about, but there is an organization and something being organized within this area that many people don't talk about, but you are aware of. Now, what is that organization, or the thing that is organized within this organ that we call the lower guts or the guts? Neurons. You see, if you look at it like this here, the brain, the heart, the spine, and the gut. The spine is the information highway when it comes to neurons. The brain has an abundance of neurons, but this is the sweet spot. But the doggone gut, which is known as the second brain, it has a heavy amount of gathering of neurons as well. Remember, it's not an organ, it's the organization, something organized within that. As a matter of fact, organs are different skin tissues or different tissues that come together and organize themselves to serve certain functions within the body. But what I am saying is that what they call the Nexus body is an organization and a gathering of the neurons in certain parts of the body. Now, what's so special about neurons? The bell went off. The phenomenal thing about neurons is a neuron is an organic vehicle that carries plasma. How do you know it carries plasma? Neurons fire and put off an electrical spark. What is an electrical spark? Plasma. And electrical, when plasma is in the proper environment, it will put off an electrical spark. How do we know that? Well, when the air is ionized, and there's an invisible force called electricity, and it mixes with the ionization in the air, what does it do? Lightning. The thing about plasma, everything in existence is held together by some sort of electromagnetic force. The plasma plays a very important role within the electromagnetic force, the unseen energy of the electromagnetism. As a matter of fact, you have an electromagnetic field around you, and your electromagnetic field is made up of plasma. Your heart beats and puts off a resonance of the plasma, which becomes your electromagnetic field. Now, here's the thing about plasma. Plasma itself is another vehicle that carries an unseen and an unspoken force. We don't even really have a name for it. Some people call it the logos. Some people call it El, like electricity. Some people call it God. But here's the thing. That force, which is inside of the vehicle known as plasma, that force is everywhere at all times. It's recording all things in existence. It is all knowing. Future, the past, the present, it's all knowing. And you're tapped into it. Some people call it the acoustic records. Now, when you have the gathering of the neurons in the brain and when they're firing properly, this can help you have a higher intelligent level. The more light, the more the sparks off, the more light. The more light, the more awareness kicks in. This would explain some of your extrasensory perception. How do we know that that is a thing? Well, as we mentioned, every now and then you get a nervous feeling in your stomach. You know what I'm saying? Your intuition kicks in. You be like, man, I can feel something ain't right. Let me get the heck up out of here. And then you happy that you left. Now, other times, when you're in your head and you may feel something, you be like, man, something ain't right. The very hairs on the back of the spine, on the back of your neck, will rise up. It causes a physical effect. So as I said, this right here is your Nexus body. Not some hidden organ. It's an organization of neurons. Now, not to take away from anyone else's science. I'm just adding on and telling you how this may work. And I want us to look at the fact that, man, that 80th organ thing, well, I guess you could say it's the 80th organ because we weren't looking at the organization of the neurons within the body. But anyway, this is your man, L. Judge. I hope I didn't offend anyone. I really hope you learned something. And again, I'm going to say you can't always rely on science, but sometimes you have to use science for a backbone. When I first started getting into the information, when I decided to study and become this thing that they call conscious now, the very first book that I chose to read that had something to do with my path was a book about this big. And you know what it was about? The brain. Because I wanted to know why people thought the way that they did and how they thought. But anyway, peace and blessings. I'm out.